Hey paddleboarders, guess what we did? We bought a new paddleboard. It was too good of a price to pass up, and we thought we'd give it a try and let you know how it is. It's called EVAJOY. We bought it on Amazon. You guys, it was less than $120.
So maybe it might be worth it, but we don't know.
We decided it had a 30-day guarantee, so we'll see how it is.
And we'll let you know.
We are opening it here. We've got paddle, we've got a pump.
Looks decent.
This is a dry bag. A repair kit. And here's the paddle board. Backpack for it.
Looks nice.
A fin. And the leash. All right.
All right, let's put her together.
Pumping and let you know. All right, now it's going good. Now that we got the pump in the right spot. How many PSI are you at?
3.
3? Are you serious?
Yeah, 3. Maybe we use the electric pump and we'll catch up with you.
We have an electric pump too, so why kill ourselves, right?
Okay, so it has a detachable fin, which is fine. And there is a piece in here you need to take out. You see this piece? You want to just pull that out. That was just there for a space holder. And then you can slide this in and then put this right through there until it clicks. Hear the click, and then you're good. And that's your fin.
Sweet.
One fin. Okay, so it comes with a dry bag. That's unusual and very cool. And then here's our leash. Different kind of a leash than what we're used to, but it should work fine. You just put it under there, run the other end through, and you are good to go. Just like that.
There's the paddle. 3 pieces.
Seems decent.
How heavy is it?
It's heavy, even with the 2 pieces. Yeah, it's going to be heavier paddle, but for 120 bucks. Okay, and it locks in. It's pretty solid.
We love all the bungee cord features at the top of the board.
Yeah, it's got some D-rings all over it. See, they've got 4 here, and then your one in the back as well. So that's kind of nice, and it's got those. The foam is a little thinner, other than the back, but it's not like you need a cushy ride here. We'll see how it feels when we get in the water.
Here's a side-by-side of the 2 boards. They're definitely a different shape. Body glove might be a little wider. You need to measure them. Different points. But
I think
that's
the
a lot of
point
boards.
is more of a speed ride, and the rounded top is
Better for stability, probably better for beginners. How solid does it feel, honey?
solid.
Same.
Yeah, same, pretty similar.
Okay, we're gonna go take it on the water and we'll let you know.
Okay, after about 5 minutes, what's your initial thought? How's the
Feels good.
how's the sturdiness? Does it feel
Pretty
about the same as the boards we've been using?
Lighter,
Okay.
and I don't think it's as wide right here, but maybe it is. Maybe it's just a visual. Not sure.
Yeah.
Have to measure it. But so far, so good.
Great.
It's a little hard to give it a good review on this windy water today, right?
Yeah, but it's decent. I like it.
Okay, we've had a fun time testing out this new board. What do you think, John?
Pretty solid, pretty sturdy. A little narrower than I'm used to, but I think it's a pretty good board and a good board for the value.
For the amount of money, if you're just gonna paddle around and explore a little bit, it's a great investment.
Speed board, it's just good for touring.
All right, here's a good close-up of the board. Great. We had a good ride. Definitely worth the $100. Here's the back of the board.
Okay, so after paddling all day, I'm gonna clean this sucker up. The EVAJOY bag is big. The sides are kind of gusseted. It opens up a little bigger than it looks. And there's plenty of room for your paddle and your fin. You don't want to forget that. And it just zips up. Pretty handy dandy carrying case. I like that. And away you go. Then you can just put it on your back because it's got the backpack straps. Even though we haven't adjusted them. And then
all right,
away you go.
We get the point.
We bought the EVAJOY board for about 129 bucks, but we've seen it as high priced as $439. So the price fluctuates. Look for specials and sales, and I definitely think it's worth 129, perhaps not as much at $439. So we were pleasantly surprised with the EVAJOY board, right, honey?
Yes, we were.
And we gave it some decent ratings. You know, it's felt very stable and comfortable. We love how lightweight it is. It is lighter than other boards that we've tried. And I love that they have a tire pump adapter. You can just go hook it up to that. The case was great. The dry bag was a plus, and the pump worked well. So overall, we were pretty happy with it.
A few cons are that the paddles are a little heavier than we're used to, but we have some very high-end paddles. It didn't seem to steer as well as we're used to, but maybe we just need to get used to a different shaped board. And the material seemed a little thinner than our other boards, but maybe technology has changed and it's fine. Overall, we really like the EVAJOY paddleboard.